Welcome to Villa Collalto Sant'Isaia, a hidden treasure in the heart of Tuscany. Here, the essence of Italian elegance and serenity of Chianti come together in the setting as timeless as it is extraordinary. Today, we will take you on a journey through the exquisite estate, Villa Collalto Sant'Isaia, a place where history, luxury, and nature create an amazing glamour ambient. Dating back to the 15th century, Villa Collalto Sant'Isaia is steeped in history. Owned for centuries by a prominent Roman aristocratic family, its walls have witnessed generations of stories, art and culture. In the late 20th century, a meticulous restoration preserved the villa's authentic charm, while infusing in a modern and comfort. This seamless blend of past and present makes Villa Collalto more than a home. It's a masterpiece of Tuscan heritage. Step inside, and you are enveloped in the atmosphere of refined luxury. With the 16 ensuite bedrooms accommodating up to 31 guests, every corner of the villa exudes charm. From intricately painted ceilings to plush, hand-picked furnishings, the interiors are a celebration of art and comfort. Each bedroom offers a unique palette, invoking the warm hues of Tuscany. Imagine woke up to sunlight streaming through antique windows, the scent of the lavender wafting in from the garden below. The villa has 3 floors. We are now in the 2nd floor, in the main living room, who manage the access to the suites. All the rooms are air-conditioned and all the bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms. The bedrooms have kept intact the atmosphere and ancient charming of the house, and each day they will make you feel new emotions, since each has new different colors and decors that match perfectly with the warm tones of the fabrics and curtains. This spacious villa has 16 bedrooms, all with private bathrooms, and sleeps up to 31 guests. Upon request, you can also rent owner's private apartment, which accommodates 4 guests, for a total of 35 guests. The lower floor also contains a spacious living room with spectacular arches and local stone features. Amazing luxury villa with all comforts you can ask for. The villa has absolutely everything. It's hard to define, but it's local expert with Tuscany competitive management. If you are a group or larger than 21 people, you can rent the whole structure for 35 people. Dining at Villa Sant'Isaia Collalto is more than a meal, it's an experience. Begin your day with a farm-to-table breakfast served on the terrace. As the day unfolds, indulge in the bespoke dining experiences curated by an in-house chef. From traditional Tuscan feasts paired with super Tuscan wines, to intimate dinners under the stars. Villa Collalto's charm extends far beyond its walls. Immerse yourself in the cultural and natural wonders of Tuscany with tailored experiences. Visit nearby Siena and Florence to explore Renaissance masterpieces. or cycle through rolling vineyards for the taste of Tuscany's iconic wines. For those seeking tranquility, Villa Collalto offers an heaven of relaxation. Begin your mornings with your yoga overlooking the hills, or unwind with the massage arranged by our concierge. The heated infinity pool invites you to soak up Tuscan sun, while serene surroundings provide the perfect hand drop for rejuvenation. Here, wellness is not an activity, it's a way to a life. Villa Collalto Sant'Isaia is not just a destination, it's a story waiting to be lived. From its historical elegance to its unparalleled amenities, every detail is designed to create memories that last a lifetime. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or connection, your Tuscan escape begins here. We invite you to write your chapter in the timeless beauty of Villa Collalto.